Okay, the general equation of a circle. So from the standard equation that we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. If we expand this equation, so we're going to find that this is equals to x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h squared plus k squared minus r squared equals to 0. So if we substitute negative h, okay, so substitute the negative h with g, okay, so g equals to negative h, and then we substitute f with a negative k, and then c equals to h squared plus k squared minus r squared. Then we're going to have the x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Okay, this is 0. So this is what we call as a general equation of a circle. Okay. From the general equation that we have just now, where we have x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now we are going to do the completed square on the x and y. So this is x squared 2gx. When we do the completed square, so we have x plus g squared and then minus with g squared for the y. Okay, so we have y squared and this is 2fy, so this is a plus y minus y plus, okay, y plus f squared minus f squared plus c equals to 0. So we're going to arrange all this equation, all these terms. Y plus f squared equals to g squared plus f squared and then minus c here. Okay, now so we can see from here, if you compare with the standard equation, yeah, we compare with the standard equation, compare with the standard equation, we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. So we can see from here that your g here equals to negative h, your f equals to negative k, and then your r equals to g squared plus f squared minus c. If this is r, then you have a square root here. Okay. Thus, the general equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, where the center c equals to negative g negative f and the radius r equals to g squared of g squared plus f squared minus c. Okay, now let's look at the example 3 here. Find the center and the length of the radius of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 2y equals to negative 1. Okay, Now we are going to rewrite this equation as x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. And then we are going to compare with the general equation. Compare with the general equation. X squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Okay, so from here we can just write 2g equals to negative 2. So g here equals to negative 1. And then we have 2f equals to 2, where your f equals to 1. And then your c in this case equals to 1. Okay, so find the center and the length of the radius. So center is given by negative g, negative f, so that we can have the center as 1, negative 1. And then to find the radius, okay, to find the radius, r equals to g squared plus f squared minus c. Okay, so just substitute the number of negative 1 squared plus 1 squared minus 1. This is square off. Okay, so then your radius here will be equals to 1. Okay, now let's proceed with the example 4, where you were asked to find the center and radius of a circle by completing the square. So you're given that 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 24x plus 12y plus 8 equals to 0. Let's say this is our first equation here. So as we know that the general equation, yeah, so general equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So the coefficient of x squared and y squared equals to 1. But in this case here, we can see that this is a 2. And coefficient of x squared equals to 2. And coefficient of y squared is also 2. So we're going to divide the first equation here. Divide by 2. Then you will have x squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 6y plus 4 equals to 0. So by completing the square on x and y, so we look at this one, this is x squared minus 12x. So x minus 6 squared minus 36, and then plus with y plus 3 squared, and then minus 9 plus 4 equals to 0. So you simplify this, you get x minus 6 squared plus y plus 3 squared minus 36, you get minus 9, get negative 45. So negative 45 plus 4, you get equals to negative 41. So you bring to the right, so you get this is equals to 41 here. Okay, so find the center and radius of the circle. Now let's compare with the standard equation, where you have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. So the center in this case is hk, or this is equals to 6, negative 3. And then your r equals to square root of 41.